we are going to create a script in Bash to clear the downloads folder every after Saturdays. Now here, let us first of all find what is in the downloads folder using the change directory command. Then I'll have to use the ls command to list all the files and folders in this directory, that is the downloads. This is what is in the downloads. I have to come and clear this. I have to come and change the directory back to the desktop. I have to navigate to the desktop. On the desktop, I'll create a file named myscript.sh. Then here I have to define the shebang. Then I have to put /bin to define exactly which interpreter the system should use. I have to come and use the find command. Put a comment, use the find command. I have to come and use the find command. Here the first argument is the pass. The pass, I'm going to define the pass as the home and the home directory /downloads. Then the next argument is the test. Here we are going to define what to search for. We are going to define space type, which type shall define files, and then in modification time, space modification time plus 30, and then the last argument is the action. What shall we do with the result? Shall use the execute, then the remove command, and then we shall have to open and close curly brackets. Then we shall have to use the backslash to terminate the command. This open and close curly brackets just act as the placeholder for the found file. Shall have to display a message of successful removal. Display a message. Shall use the echo command, and we shall say files removed successfully. After this, we shall have to use the Ctrl X to exit this. Shall have to press Y to save changes and press enter. So I'll have come and use the change mode command to give execution permissions to this script. My script have used to use the // and my script name to run this script. After some time, it will have to respond to receive files removed successfully. Let us navigate back to the downloads folder. I shall say change directory to the downloads and try to list again the files in this downloads folder. We shall realize that the files have reduced. Now what has remained is only folders and files which are not Saturdays old.